What's up, Panda Nation? This is the Panda Photographer. Welcome to another Lightroom showcase. Today is Saturday, June 27th, 2020. Still in Portland, but I got options now, since now I got clarification that I might not be getting into phase 2 or 3. But with that said, please do subscribe, like, and share. And today I want to share some of the photos I have taken so far in Portland, but I also want to show you guys that it's not all about Sony and Canon on this channel, but I did shoot with my Sony A77 Mark II, which is an A mount. I used the Tamron SP90 for this portrait right here. Like I said, I like taking pictures of people of all life. I know you have your particular portrait that might not look like this, a normal person. It's always a beautiful model or a beautiful male model, or it's beauty, but everyone has beauty, so keep that in mind. But I wanted to show you with the Tamron, I was able to get even natural, like, great shots with it. And I kind of find using the A mount and still using Sony from time to time works. Now take this with a grain of salt, alright? Some of you may not agree with what I say, but when it comes down to like my YouTube content, I try to take my own thumbnails, my own photos, and add them as my thumbnails. And I see people, the Photoshops, I do it too. I crop things out and then I drag it and then put it in the thumbnail. But it is always good to take your shots with your professional camera to get your own thumbnails. That's what separates you on this channel and on this platform. But with the micro lens, I was able to get even beautiful shots like this and manual focusing, because autofocus is not something that I recommend. And this is the edit and finished product here. I hope you guys like that. And here is this one, which I do like. It was converted from this. I didn't like the warm tone to it, but I still do. Now I do. I do like the warm tone to it, but I kind of like that cool tone as well. But I have options, and that's the great thing about editing photos. You have options to edit the way you see fit. You can make multiple duplicates of the same photo but different styles. This was shot at ISO 3200, and look how clean. Honestly, that's pretty clean in my opinion. But this one also same. Oh, that's right, I moved the files, so I moved my folders recently. I took this with the Tamron too, and I took this with the Tamron. So, and I was using the Godox flashes this time, and I was using the blue gel. I was using the Instro flash modifier, which is similar to Magma but different. And I used the Godox V860 Mark II, and trying to give you guys content, but also give you guys insights like, hey, you started doing portraits again, Panda. Yay! I know. Yes. And then I had to work with this image, because originally, if we reset this image, and I do like it, as you can see, his eyes now more pop than anything else now. As you can see the difference, transformation. And I can show you how to do that, or I already have done that in season 2 and 1. This is season 3. But yeah, I just want to show you what I have taken. But recently, I just went outside to take some more micro photos. And I came across this little guy, which, if I can find him. Alright. So, this was shot with the Tamron, and it seems fairly sharp, But the problem with the Tamron that I'm having is when you shoot, when the light is mainly on your subject, like this particular subject, which is a spider. This spider is also a transparent spider, so it kind of blends into his environment. And that's what's giving off corrupt aberrations too. But I also noticed in the image there's corrupt aberrations as I can see it. So, and as I was struggling, and I'm going to be honest about it, yeah, I was struggling to take the freaking photo manually. I didn't want to use autofocus because, no, that's not how Panda rolls. I understand that autofocus may work, but it doesn't work for me. But look at this image. Wow. Look at that. I am really satisfied with these images. Look how pretty sharp that is, but this one too. Wow. Impressive. Because in my EVF, it doesn't really show me how sharp it is. It seems sharp, and I'm like, it seems sharp, but it looks soft. So when I bring it into computer, it's much sharper. But this one's a little soft. See? I tried the manual shoot, but wasn't able to. But I got the shots that I wanted, and I think I'm good. I think I'm good with my results. But with that said, everyone, this is Panda. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching what I have taken, what I have demonstrated, and as an artist, I'm happy that I can show you guys my work and give the time off to give you guys a good demonstration that I'm very scared of a lot of these categories in photography. And some people may doubt my ability, and that's their opinion, but watch my content and maybe you'll find out instead of reaching for the gun and pulling it. Because I'm saying this because just yesterday alone I posted a video about S-Log, about Sony, and one particular person went off a rant without even watching it, and I caught him in his foul behavior, and he tried to make it seem like I was the one that was causing problems. And I said, did you watch the video? He said no. No, he didn't say no. I said, obviously you didn't watch the video, because in the video I never said anything about Canon color science. Not once. I said I went to this website to get something for my Canon and came across this also for Sony, which I was interested as well. See, he didn't hear that part in the video because he didn't watch it. People, I recommend please watch your favorite YouTube's content so you have everything in full before you answer to a comment or a question. Be respectful. This is the Panda Photographer. Please do subscribe, like, and share. If you guys want to support the channel, please. It would be really appreciated. With that said, I hope you guys love what you see here. Eat, see photography, repeat. And I will see you guys in the next video. See you on Monday. Take care. Enjoy the weekend.